Before we start building FastAPI app, let me give you a brief introduction of what FastAPI is. FastAPI is a web framework for building web APIs using Python. It is based on well-established standards, that is OpenAPI. It is easy to use. It saves a lot of time, that is, it is fast to code in, and performance-wise, it is blazingly fast because it has fast in its name. Just kidding, but it has really good performance as it is well accepted by many companies, even MongoDB. Now, let's go and code our first app. The first thing we have to do is create our project directory. I will name my project Hello World app. Let's go into the directory. And here I will create a virtual environment which bundles together everything that our project is going to need, and it will create an isolated environment. And I'm gonna name it env. Takes a little time. Now we can activate our virtual environment. For that, we write source env bin activate. When our virtual environment is activated, you will see the name of the environment here. Here we will install FastAPI. We write pip install FastAPI and standard. Make sure this is in inverted commas. Press enter. It will take some time to install. Once the FastAPI is installed, we can open this folder in VS Code. For that, we write code dot. Believe me, the only file you need is a Python main.py. You can even give a name of your choice. Now in this file, we have to import FastAPI module. Now let me zoom a little bit so that it's visible clearly. Here we import FastAPI module. We write from FastAPI import FastAPI, and now we can create an object of this class. And once we have this object, we can create a route or an endpoint. And in this, I'm gonna write the name of the endpoint. I'm gonna name it hello. And whenever this endpoint is accessed, I wanna execute a function that returns a message world. For that, I write a function, and here I return the message that is world. And we are pretty much finished. Now we can run our app. For that, we go to the terminal, write the command FastAPI dev main.py. We hit enter, and look, the server is running. Application has started. We have to go to this URL. Now here, whenever we access hello, we will get the message as world, and that completes our basic FastAPI app. I'm gonna make a lot of videos on FastAPI, and hopefully this is going to make you a better FastAPI developer. See you soon.